Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you a very important thing that you might be or something that will affect you in the future. So as you can see, it is almost a month since my YouTube was demonetized by the YouTube teams. So and the reason why they demonetized my channel was because I was reusing other people's content. So I have reused content on my channel, which I am also trying to remove them, all of them. So what I'm telling you right now, what affect my channel all this month, I've been trying to work harder to earn to make myself visible to YouTube, to understand that I'm the owner of the channel and I'm actually the person who is creating content. So here, let me focus on this thing. You can see here under my dashboard I have 11,604 subscribers. Well, you might notice that. So let me take you to what I'm facing right now. If we go to my analytics right here on my channel, you can see here I have only 2,575 views on the last 48 actually 48 hours. So before it was not like that. It's supposed to be around 4,000, 5,000 there, or 3,000, you know. But since YouTube demonetized my channel, you know, the YouTube teams stopped recommending my video, so which affect my channel greatly. So nobody's watching my video because YouTube already demonetized me. They have block me or block other people who are showing on my YouTube channel, so they do not recommend my video anymore. So I'm telling you, one day, even if you have a lot of subscribers or whatever that you have, I'm telling you what will happen. Your analytics or view will drop. They will drop. So this is what affect my channel. So you don't have to go through the same thing I'm going through today, this month. So I'm hoping that the YouTube team will eventually allow me to be part of the monetization partner. So I'm hoping that they will accept my channel back on this date. So let me take you guys back to my monetization here, and you are going to see what affected my channel or what reason. Okay. So here, let me pull this thing right here. You can see that on this channel right here, we have it say your channel is no longer eligible to monetize. So last few 15 days or 14 days, this appeal was open for me. So they closed it on October 17, as you can see right here. Okay, because I failed to appeal to them. The reason was because I deleted the video, and they say that if you deleted any video from your channel, the YouTube team will reject you. So this was something that I do not want to face. So I just wanted to work harder for this month so that I can change what affected my channel. And what I did was I removed some of the content from my channel which I uploaded from others YouTube channels. And you know, I did not simply download them and re-upload them. What I did, I start editing them also, because that's what the other YouTube are doing. They get other people content and then they re-upload them on the YouTube, and then they re-upload them after they edit. After finishing editing, then they can re-upload. But for me, I did the same thing also, but I did not know where the problem relied. I do not know where the problem was. So what I'm doing, I'm trying so hard to get out of this situation. Though I do not know where the problem is, I start removing all the content which are not even mine, and even the content that I already did for my channel. And again, also I try to change my YouTube channel names as well, because this channel is my channel. You can see that there is an icon, a music icon on it, so which is different from other channel. So my channel is an entertainment channel, especially it's my channel. I use it for music, for my music. So you can see that here we have this icon right here. Okay, this one, this nota right here. You can see from my channel right here, this is a small one. So what you are seeing right there is a music YouTube channel. My channel is my music. I want to upload my music on it, and also other thing. So you can see that what I did is I ignored this appealing stuff because I know that I have a problem. I do not want to go through the same thing. You can stop doing that. What you're gonna do before it happens, or if it happened to you already, please try to work harder. Try to do what is yours, because YouTube want to know that you are the right person, or you are the owner, or you are the creator of this channel. So just put content, put your own content. Let me walk you through here. Under content right here, you are going to see a number of videos which I already shown my face on them. Okay, most of the video right here, I already have my face on them because I want YouTube to know that I am the right owner of this channel, and I'm actually the person who is owning it and who is creating the content. You can do the same thing on your channel, and if you don't want to show your channel, it's fine. All you gotta do is that do voiceover, and then voiceover is by putting audios on the video so that they will know. And again, what you gotta do next is also changing the description of your YouTube channel, because I already did that, and also I have to do a video that describe my YouTube. Okay, so mine is a music YouTube channel, so you can see it from there. And also I use my channel for education purpose, so I like teaching people, or you can see I play games on this channel, and also I do educational stuff on it. And many more, like 3D modeling, teaching computer, and all those kind of things. So what you gotta do right now as a person who is creating content, just do what is best for you, and good luck. The same way I'm waiting right now for YouTube team to accept me or to take me back again. So I'm still waiting right here. If you can see right here, I'm waiting for October 26, 2022. That's when they will review my channel again, and if they accept me, okay, fine, I will be monetized again. But if they reject me, I will also work for another month again. I do not know how, but I'm hoping that they will accept me back, because this is what I'm trying to do. Thank you guys for watching, and for supporting me, commenting on my YouTube channel videos, and also for subscribing to my channel. May God bless you for that, and thank you. Bye bye.